We are Abhi and Yvanka, an Indian-Dutch couple who loves to travel, eat and sometimes dance. After some incredible trips in the last few years, we are back and this time we explore one of our favorite cities in the world. So subscribe, sit back and enjoy as we take you along on this epic journey. Hey guys, we are back with another adventure.
And this time we are going to Rome.
And welcome to Rome. Well, this is not my first time in Rome actually. I have been to Rome once before, 5 years ago. But this time I'm with this sweet little lady. The weather is sunny and we are walking towards the Colosseum. Welcome to the Colosseum. So we just came out of the Colosseum and it was absolutely amazing. Yvanka, how did you like the Colosseum?
It's incredible.
The pictures definitely don't do it any justice. We are standing in the Roman Forum right now, which is a huge area with a lot of archaeological things in front of the Colosseum, and this is one of the best viewpoints you can have.
I got no money, like it or not, I'm funny. Still in searching of my destination. I like to party, living my way is arty. All I offer is my reputation.
We are at the Roman Forum, which is right opposite the Colosseum. I believe it was the residence of the emperor, I'm not fully sure. But look at this viewpoint here, it's incredible. Hey guys, we had some really nice lunch. We had 2 pastas. One of them is called amatriciana, that is like some spaghetti with tomato sauce, and the other one was cacio e pepe. That's also spaghetti, but also I think it's with cheese and a lot of pepper. And now we are having some nice and righteous gelato.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line.
Jolly good morning. This is day 2 and we are making our way to the Vatican City and we are going to see the St. Peter's Basilica. It's 500 years old and it was designed by a number of famous Italian architects. One of them was even Michelangelo. And let's see what it's like from inside. We will do a tour of it, and we are almost right in front of it. So we just came out of the St. Peter's Basilica. It was a nice 1-hour tour. This church is actually almost 500 years old. The original part of the church was built somewhere in 2000 years ago, I think, and then it was completely reconstructed. The church is also the burial site of one of the chief apostles of Jesus, St. Peter's, hence the St. Peter's Basilica, and also the first Pope. And now we're just gonna enjoy the sunny weather, walk around a bit in the Vatican, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. inside the Roman baths of Caracalla. These were made by Marcus Aurelius in 217 AD, so they are really old. And I can only find one word for it: majestic. They say that in one particular day it could accommodate 6,000 to 8,000 people, which is not very COVID friendly, but they had worse things to think about in those times. The interesting thing is that it was absolutely free for whoever wanted to come in. We are biking along Appia Antica, one of the oldest roads leading to Rome. You know how they say all roads lead to Rome? This is one of those roads.
I can't remember when you made me count from 1 to 10. And when I opened up my eyes, you were standing way too close. I felt your breath.
Hello.
Tried to warm me up and get my juices flowing hard, yeah. But I'm already gone. I see my hand and picked a card. So there's a reason to it all. Before you sell all that you've got, be sure to call. And there's a way around the fear of losing everything you ever thought was real. Away home, beyond the shadows of the buildings where we used to play as kids, and I know we will be like strangers if we can't work out this mess and be honest once again. Juices flowing hard, but I'm already gone. I've seen my hand and picked a chord. So there's a reason to it all. Before you sell all that you've got, be sure to call. And there's a way around the fear of losing everything you ever thought was real.
So that's it for this one, guys. Our 1 week trip to Rome has come to an end, and based on our watches we averaged around 25,000 to 30,000 steps per day, which is very tiring, of course, but I always believe that that's also one of the best ways to see a city. Well, that's it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.